Palantir update here on the 20th. The chart still looks good to me. It did fall a little bit farther than I wanted in the last video, but I'll show you here in a second that we are right on track for 30 bucks. This right here potentially could be a first wave, but I'm actually looking at it like this more likely, and then potentially get one more move down like this. Let's zoom out here now on the daily. So the daily chart looks fine to me. And if this would have happened, this would take it down here to the bottom of the trend line, maybe somewhere around like 1950 to 20 bucks. And we would still be holding the 200 DMA, so that's very important. But here's where I want you to look. This is the exact same pattern. Literally the exact same pattern, and then we get an ABC move up. We fall down here, so we get ABC up, and then we get ABC up, get a move down, get a move down. We're bouncing, so that bounce, like I said, could come up here to 23 bucks, and then maybe one more low like this, and then we rip like that. So down, bounce, make one more low. The only thing is, this one did not make a new low. So 1567 did not get breached. We already hit 2056. The low is at 2031. So maybe I'm wrong about this part right here. Maybe it just goes up from here. So let's zoom back in here and just take a look at this pattern. And this could potentially be a 5-wave move. You can see it has 5 waves pretty much. Third wave, pullback, fifth wave. So again, this could be finished as well. That could have been it. Or maybe it comes up here to 23 and we do make a new low right here below this. But there's not a lot of room to work with. So this could also be wave 1 right here. So this is either 1 or A. And then this is either 2 or B. So basically you're looking at something like this. Or you're looking at, we take off here soon. And the time frame's not right on this. This will probably take into July. So this would probably, on the daily, it looks pretty good on the standard deviations. So this would probably take all the way into July. You can see the very top of 2 standard deviations, maybe into mid-July, like that. Or we come down here, hold the 200 DMA, and then go up. But it still looks fine to me as long as you don't lose this 200 DMA here at 1919. We do not want to see it close below the 200 DMA, or else you're coming straight down here to fill the gap at 1786. And then you're probably not going to make it up to 30 anytime soon. So it needs to hold 1919, one of these patterns to play out. Don't care which one, but we could also be here too, just to let you know. We could be right here. Down, we're making this move, we have another move down like this. So depending on how you look at this, we could also be there. This could also be right here. So we'll see what happens. Are we going to make a new low here, down and hold the 200 DMA? Or are we ready to go higher up here to 30 bucks right away? 200 DMA is a spot you need to watch. Make sure that that is not have a close below it. And if that's the case, then we should be going to 30 bucks. You can see here the 200 DMA has never been breached since 8 bucks. So if it gets breached, I would say the run is probably over. You might come down here, fill the gap, bounce, and then you're probably going to be finished. It's probably going to start correcting even harder then. So 200 DMA is very important. These other two, I think we'll get above them if we hold the 200 DMA here sometime in the next couple of months. Probably in the next couple of weeks, to be honest. So that's pretty much it. Are we going to finish this diagonal off anytime soon, or are they going to bring it below the 200 DMA to fill the gap? Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and yeah, let me know. I will keep you updated probably later this week. Let's see what happens. I think at the minimum, there's a very good chance we hit this daily supply zone at 22.85 in the next week or so. That's it. Have a good one.